This Tanko mobile video is sponsored by HipChat.
It's Tanko. I'm back here with Grant Campany, who is the lead for the XPRIZE Tricorder contest.
The Qualcomm Tricorder XPRIZE.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm really pleased to be here.
Yeah, this is a pretty awesome product. So tell us a little bit about the prize.
Sure. So this prize was really conceived as a way to try to revolutionize healthcare through the integration of sensors and sensing technologies into a tricorder-like device.
For sure.
Which would open up access to healthcare for millions of people around the world. So we've incentivized teams like Robert Call's Cloud DX to develop these technologies so that we can determine who among these 10 are the best at delivering and identifying up to 15 conditions and taking up to 5 vital signs continuously for 72 hours.
So you came here to South by Southwest with their team to just show this prototype, basically, one of the 10 finalists, as it were.
That's right.
And so, to remind us, everybody, when is the actual the final contest happening?
So this competition was launched in 2012 at CES. Now we're at the final consumer testing phase, which is where the rubber hits the road. So each of these 10 teams must deliver to us 30 working prototypes each by June of this year. And so we'll be actually getting these tricorders in the hands of real consumer testers through our collaboration with the University of California at San Diego Medical Center. And so they'll help us recruit up to 400 plus consumer testers who will actually be given a device to take home for up to 3 days.
And one of the challenges on this hardware is that you have to be able to wear it for 72 hours.
That's correct.
Non-stop. So the contestants have to overcome that challenge. What are the other challenges, real quick?
Well, I think a lot of it has to do with how these consumers interact with the devices. Because these are really totally novel in terms of their application, and I think there's not a big widespread use of these types of technologies in the telemedicine spectrum, where you think about a consumer actually taking these devices home. So the big element here is the consumer experience. So how will they interact and what is that experience like? And that actually represents 50% of the scoring criteria for this competition is how these consumers interact with these devices. And that's a big part of it.
So it's not just about creating the hardware, it's actually about the user experience.
It's all about the design.
Making it reliable, making it something that you can be deployed worldwide, regardless of basically the level of infrastructure that's available.
That's exactly right. So what is that experience and how is that interaction characterized in terms of is it a pleasant one or is it just cumbersome? So these are the things we want to be able to get at.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much for your time, Grant. This is really helpful to get some insight on how the whole prize is set up. And thanks for your time, and thanks for being at South by Southwest. If you guys are watching this video, there's another video on my channel where you'll find more information about the hardware I just showed here. Thanks again, Grant.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Appreciate it.